What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
What's a go on? What happening? Won't I say my viewers and subscribers? Big up on yourself. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And I hope you don't feel no pain at all. No pain. And if you are feeling any pain, remember if you go check the doctor, call the doctor. Please go to the doctor or make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. If you don't, we go call every single body in your family, your auntie, your cousin, your sister, even your cousin, grandmother-in-law. We go call everybody. Somebody will be able to help you. Guys, wellness check. Do your wellness check. Make sure your friends and family is alright, because mental health crisis is not a joke. Guys, remember the people who don't have nothing. They have not. The people don't have no food, they don't have no clothes. Help somebody today. Help somebody. Today your birthday. Have a nice birthday, and remember, don't drink and drive. Stop the drink and driving. If you drink, call somebody, call a taxi. If you call a taxi, take a picture of the license plate, picture of the car. If you can get a picture of the driver, send it to somebody. So that means we all will know where you're there. If in case something should happen to you, let's hope nothing like that happen. But viewers and subscribers, this is for my fallen soldiers. We miss you. I know it. You don't know what I sang there? Boy. Buju and we the one that opened my can of worm. Buju and we the one that opened a can of worm that was out there long time. Guys, a whole heap of artists in the entertainment business. A whole heap of people in the entertainment business get robbed, get used by the same person who then say them friend because of glory. A lot of people in the music industry get robbed, get used, get buy out, get sell out, get unalive because of people just don't have that art. That art for know that you help them to reach a certain level in life, and then now them reach and you're still down there, and them are gonna say to themselves, you know what, that man they help me, so me I go help that man there back because him help me, or me I go give him my money, or me I go say, alright, him is a part of what push me to this level, so I'm going to give him at least a good 50%. Set him straight or help him. A lot of us, and I always try to put myself in everything we talk about. A lot of us is not like that. Guys, Buju Banton and Winnie Wonder is a very good example. Guys, out of the blues. This is for my fallen soldier. That was DeMarco line in that specific song. However, none of us ever hear about the song was fully written by Angel Doolas. Now guys, Angel Doolas was alive and tell the people and the live that he and DeMarco was good friend, and they was in the studio because the rhythm for Fallen Soldier was built by DeMarco. However, DeMarco sit down in the studio and said, this is from my fallen soldiers, and stop. And he says, he tell DeMarco that is a a hit that's bad. Guys, Angel Doolas say him scrap him song. Hold on a little bit. Make way. Me I go make you listen to what DeMarco, where Angel Doolas say with his own mouth. And soon come back.
That's it. That's it for DeMarco. The rest of it, DeMarco. The song what Boss DeMarco is what? Make me ask, because I don't want to say my song. That a theme too. This is for my falling soldiers. We miss you. Full stop for DeMarco. Everything else, all when you're gone, we're with you. Gone on the battlefield. It's so effing real. As a little youth used to hang out on the corner. Me and the one of my friend them we about some marijuana. Although enough but we never grew up with no father. Still me have to try my best to make it cross the border. But some boy chew them big like Hulk Hogan. Come and chat, tell them we don't listen slogan. Me prefer it before me take program. Me no grow wrong no. This is for my fallen soldiers. Yeah. And the next verse. I know for them not like we. I mean that again. Until he reach the line where I say, Adiwola uno boy we are free. I feel like that too.
This interesting. Were you paid? Were you? I know you weren't officially recognized because at the first me I hear this, and I know it's the first a lot of people on this live is hearing this. Were you paid for it?
No, ma'am, I was not. Him claim say him give me. Him did I try give me 9% first. After me get disgruntled and say what going on so? He must say, alright, Doolas, me I give you 9%. I said, nah, man, you're mad. You forget say you never even like the song. You just loosely say, this is for my fallen soldiers, we miss you. And me I bring you back in at the moment in the studio. When it just a cook. I invent the rhythm, you know. And him there hum it. Him not say nothing, just a hum. And then me hear him say, this is for my fallen soldiers, we miss you. And stop. Me, initially, me did think it was a full song him up. But when me hear the complete silence after that miss you there, me turn around and me look on him and say, my yo, that song them bad enough. I eat for rhythm and him start laughing. Say, what you laugh for? I said, Doolas, me just a vibe. I just vibe, me a vibe. Me not more to it, I just that. And me say, it's bad, man. Bad tune. So, bill it, man say, a dead business that I'm in a bus it. Me not sing about not dead. That's why you hear part of the song where me I say, life is so fucking real. I hear me a talk, you know. I hear me a talk to that. Now have nothing to do with the lyrics of the song, you know. I hear me a tell that, say life is real. So too, same way like how death real, I saw life real. So you just have to just deal with it as a reality.
Right.
And him understand, but him still never feel like, say boy, him never have the drive and the adrenaline to really do this song. Him never excited. Or something else him did and put on the rhythm. And him say, alright, Doolas, since as you feel so good about the idea, you build it. Me did have a song already. I scrap chorus out of my song and give him the verse them, you know. That song was really for my brother. My little brother was drop out in a 93.
Jesus, so sorry.
Yeah, man, gunman come kill him. Pan the ends. Yeah. So me scrap my good song. I did record a song there for a youth named Black Pearl, you know, who was at Jammys at the time as an engineer. Him am a witness. I just scrap my song, take out my chorus, put it one side and give him the verse them of my song. Because the rhythm did have a similarity to it and the melody did close. So, because as a little youth used to hang out on the corner, me and the whole of my friend them we about some, because it's a true story.
Right.
You see me, we have our whole vibes from the ends. Big up Texas, France View, Texas Corner, Phase 2. You see me? Yeah, that's a whole heap of my friend them. Them know. If them are listen right now, if any of them are listen right now, them can say chew him at all.
So Doolas, watch on man. Me hear DeMarco and them youth there do interviews, and Falling Soldiers is arguably the biggest song we have in him catalog, and he has never one day mentioned Angel Doolas.
So mankind stay, brother. When them no want, when them no want give you glory that them do to you, you know what I mean?
So guys, you all hear what Angel Doolas said with his own mouth. He said that with his own mouth. He was the one who write "This Is For My Fallen Soldier," the song who bust DeMarco, the song who make people know who DeMarco is. And DeMarco want to give him 9%. 9%. And you have never heard DeMarco say Angel Doolas have something to do with that song. You have never hear Angel Doolas name call on that song. Guys, this is to show you that life is one of the hardest things to live. Yes, life. Because at the end of the day, if you and a man a friend and you and him sit down in our studio and you find a song and the two of you put together and work on the song and the song become a hit and you want to give him a 9%. Remember, you know, there's 100% in everything, and if you want to give him 9%, not even 10, hold on a little bit. I never hear about no 9%. Only when you go a bank, you get 9%, and if you go a bank, you get 9% is a loan you borrow, and then want back 9% off the loan. So that means you're going to pay a lot of money. Feed. But if somebody are going to give you 9% of out of $100, that's how much money is that? 9 cents, 90 cents. That's how I go. Yeah, that's 90 cents. What is that? What's that? 9% out of 100% big record deal, big when push your career up. Eh? What is really going on? And guys, this, hold on, it not gonna stop it. If you go back and listen to Wayne Wonder, if you go back and listen to what Wayne Wonder was saying about some of the songs that Buju Banton did, we all know them things, and we go explain something to most of you where you understand who me is and how me did. You see Major Worries. I don't know if you hear about one sound from Portland when named Courage. One sound named Courage from Portland, Port Antonio. Major Worries used to come Portland. Courage used to play down a first and last bar every Sunday. Courage a top sound at Jamaica. Major Worries. If you think I mean, me can't remember the song, but Major Worries style, where you hear Wayne Wonder say, Buju, use in the first part is not a joke. It's not a joke in matter. It's not a joke in matter because Wayne Wonder used to come a Portland with Courage. Listen me now, man. Listen me. Wayne Wonder. That's why me talk like that when it come on to the Wayne Wonder thing, because me have some ideas about it. But it is a very shame that when you look at the music industry, the music business, you have producer, promoter, artists and do that to them fellow artists, everybody want for boss. And if your virgin help you write a song, that does not mean you feel just throw him under the bus, throw him away, and all them things. And look from when that song write. A long time that songwriter and Angel Doolas just come out publicly, because I never hear that yet publicly. Angel Doolas just come out now if you say that out time out. So that simple mean it touch our nerves when you see her go on with Bojo and we any wonder. So guys, remember this. Remember this. If a man help you write a song, if a man help you do any kind of business, if somebody help you do something, stop. Put them out. Stop cut them out of it, man. Help them to gain that status. Guys, let me say this to you. Anybody will help me try to help them back in any way that I can. If me help somebody and them no want to help me back, I just say, God, it's part of life. But the thing is, when somebody help you, it is good to try and help back that person. Or on a system like a music where a man help you write a song that push your career up, because at the same time, nobody know you at that specific time until when that song was written and you put out that song, and that song become a monstrous song, and the biggest song that DeMarco have in our catalog. And you tell me that Angel Doolas is a part of the biggest song DeMarco ever sing, and you tell me that DeMarco wipe him out, cut him out, fully. Me love the song still. This is from a falling soldier. We missed you, I know you. Gone on the battlefield. Life is so fucking real. The man I'll tell you how that part going at the song. The viewers and subscribers, bless upon yourself. This is shocking if you know that DeMarco big song wasn't fully written by him. And I will heap more out there, you know. I will heap big songs you see out there where many people sing and DJ and all them things was written by other people, and you go hear them. Stand guard. I'm out. Bye bye.